A very good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the session of online class. Today we will discuss a very important topic of English, that is prepositions, and we are taking three prepositions: in, on and at. Let's see what the preposition is. The words that expresses relationship of noun and pronoun with each other. For example, she lives in Delhi. The book is on the table. She had coffee at the coffee shop. In these sentences, in, on, at are prepositions. In, on, at can be used with reference to place and time, and we will learn both references one by one. Let's start with reference to time first. Let's see what it is with reference to time. At. At can be used for a particular time shown in a clock or a watch. एक particular time ਦੇ ਲਈ like at 7 p.m, at 5 o'clock or at 9:30. Before afternoon and night. ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ afternoon ਤੇ night ਦਾ use ਕਰਾਂਗੇ then we use at. Before an event or festival. ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ event ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ? Like a birthday party, at birthday party, at Diwali. Now let's see some examples for it. He will go to party at 7:30 p.m. today. I shall study at night. Ram is going home at Diwali. All these sentences are for at. Now next is in. In can be used before any year or month, like in June, in 1947, etc. When no specific time is given, then we use in, like in the morning. Let's see some examples to clarify this case. First example is India got freedom in 1947. I was naughty in my childhood, but no specific time is given. इसलिए ਅਸੀਂ use कर रहे हैं in. Now next is on. Before any day or date we use on, like on 15th of August, on Monday. Let's see some examples. First example is my birthday is on 20th of December. He will go there on Monday. I will reach Chandigarh on Sunday. So in these sentences we are using on. Now second is with reference to place. Let's see what it is. At. Before a particular location, like at Taj Mahal, at Golden Temple. Before a small city or a small place. छोटे शहर ते छोटी जगह दे नाल, like at tea stall. Some examples. She dropped me at bus stop. I met my friend at coffee shop. These are small places, छोटियां जगह ਹਨ. At Taj Mahal एक particular जगह है. Now next is in. Before some big city or a country, we use in, like in Canada, in Delhi, and inside any object. ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਚੀਜ਼ ਕਿਸੇ object ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ, in the jug, in the bottle. ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ next is when something is surrounded by four sides. ਚਾਰੋਂ sides ਤੋਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਚੀਜ਼ ਘਿਰੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, like in the room, in the building. Let's see some examples. My friend lives in Mumbai. She is sitting in the room. Seema is reading a book in the car. Now next is on. Let's see what it is. When an object is placed on a surface, किसी जगह दे ऊपर, किसी सतह दे ऊपर, like on the table, on terrace, etc. Let's see some examples. The book is kept on the table. She is walking on the terrace. So ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ use ਕਰਾਂਗੇ? On. So dear students, this was all about these three preposition. ਫਿਰ ਮਿਲਾਂਗੇ ਇੱਕ ਨਵੇਂ topic ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. Till then, stay at your homes and stay safe. Thank you.